I just wanted to say tonight we're going to be making some cornbread with the Country Living grain mill, and we are going to be using our white corn that we bought from Azure, and Bruce is going to show you how we grind it, and I'm going to put the recipe together. I have done this before, so but I didn't never just make a video just for the cornbread, and using a lot of my Azure stuff. So here we go. Bruce.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a mess, as always. So basically, if 1 cup of grain, you're gonna get about 1.25 cups of flour. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 1 cup of white corn. And then we should get 1.25 cups of grain. So now I'm gonna do the easy part.
Some of the blue corn is coming out from the last time.
So do you think that's a little?
I think I want it a little finer.
Okay, so then let's try just a little bit.
Because the blue corn is so pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this on fast so y'all can see this get done.
Because I'm cranking way too slow.
You're doing good. Alright guys, it looks like we're at the very end now. Alright, all ground up. So we're gonna go ahead now and put this cornbread together. Okay guys, so now we got everything ground up. So we're gonna put our white corn in. We're gonna do 1 cup of almond flour. Almond flour. That was next too. There. That was 1 cup of almond milk. I had almond on the brain. Some sea salt, and it's going to be 1 teaspoon of sea salt, so I know this is a half, so I go ahead and do 2 of those. And it's going to be 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and that is a gluten-free baking soda. And then I've got the butter here already melted and ready to go, and that's 1/4 cup. And then a large egg, and you know what I've always said about a farm egg, you want to break them into something separate so that in case it was something wrong with it, just in case, you never know. Go ahead and add that, and then I put in the 2 tablespoons of honey. I got everything ready for y'all this time. Make it fast and quick. I'm gonna do the TV thing. And this is our honey. So always plenty of that. And there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop that out and wipe it on here so Bruce can wash my apron. And then go ahead and just mix it all together. And I have used the cashew butter also for this recipe, but I do find that the regular cow's milk butter does a little bit better, but you know, that's just a choice. So you could go dairy free with this and use whatever that you would normally use for butter. All right, that's mixed up, and I always add in some corn that is already cooked, or should I say warmed up, and I just add that in because we like that way. And Bruce is already ready for it.
I'm gonna stand guard till I get some.
Yeah, because last night I made the one from Azure, the Pamela's, and he never got any of it. Remember, I had bought the Pamela's to try. Well, you want to go ahead and bring it over here now, so that. And so what happened was I made it last night, and Bruce never got any of it.
Poor Bruce never got any cornbread.
Well, I said, you better get down here and get some of this cornbread, because he's upstairs packing and stuff. So there we have that. And I had already put some melted butter in this pan, and this one is my Lodge pan that has the, I can't see it on the video here now that I put the stuff in, but it's my Rosie. All right, so I set the oven on 400, and let's go ahead and go over here. Put that in here, and it's gonna cook now for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I will also write this recipe down at the bottom for you guys, and that is it. And we'll be back when it's coming out. Hey guys, guess what? Dun, 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 dun. I gotta get in there. Oh my goodness. All right, Molly, you gotta get back. Oh my, look at that. Look at that, look at that. We have chili for dinner, so that is going to be delish. Okay, we'll let this cool some, and there you have it. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yum. And here's the chili, and this one is the gluten-free one, and then this is the regular one with what's left of it. All right, guys, so it's already been gotten into, so we're gonna go ahead and now, Bruce, y'all see, you can see all the corn that's ground up.
Wow.
Yeah, and you can see the little specks of blue too from the blue corn that was left in the grinder.
Well, let's see.
Oh my gosh. It's so good. Now, or sometimes too, like if I just want to have a treat, because it's good enough for just a treat without the the chili. But I'll even pour some honey on it, and it makes it like a little Johnny cake. Thanks guys for watching.